Minasan konnichiwa, this is Tina and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the best way to use toner for your skin type. If that sounds like your thing, then please go ahead and channel登録しちゃってください。I know not everybody feels the need to use toner, and that is totally fine, but for me it is an absolute necessity in my skincare routine, and it is often a staple in most Asian skincare routines as well. So I thought, why not highlight my favorite skincare step and share with you guys the different ways to use and apply toner and how it can benefit your skin type. Let's start with what is toner. Generally speaking, toner is used to hydrate the skin and also prep it for the following skincare steps. But it can also have a number of benefits depending on the included ingredients. So why is keeping our skin hydrated so important? Well, first of all, just like we need water to be healthy, functioning human beings, so does our skin. Another reason is that by adding hydration into your skin and your skincare routine, it can actually help balance out the oil levels in your skin as well. And lastly, it will help to plump out your skin, which is going to make your skin look healthier, glowy, even younger looking. Obviously, wrinkles are going to be more noticeable if your skin is dry, whereas if you have hydration to plump those areas out, it is going to reduce the look of fine lines and even help with the texture on your skin as well. If you don't use toner already, then hopefully I have now convinced you to try. Now we're going to get into the 3 different ways to use toner depending on your skin type. The first method is the wipe off method. This is going to be best for people who have oily, combo, or breakout prone skin. As the name suggests, this method uses the motion of wiping off to tone the skin and can provide a very gentle form of exfoliation which can benefit oilier skin types. The process includes grabbing a cotton pad, dampening it with a generous amount of toner, and then wiping it across the face. I say a generous amount, this means to not have it too dry. If it is too dry, the kind of cotton pad will fluff up on your skin and leave residue, and then if it is too wet, it will be really hard to kind of maneuver and apply evenly, and you'll be also wasting a lot of your product. You also want to wipe along your skin texture, which might be confusing, like what is along your skin texture? I always get confused as well, but generally speaking, it's from like in to out on your face. So on your cheek, you'll be going from inside to your outer cheek area, on your forehead from down up, your nose up, down, and then your chin, I guess, like whichever way works. Also, don't forget your neck. Generally speaking, you do want to go from bottom to up. By using a cotton pad to wipe, the cotton itself is giving you a very light, gentle form of physical exfoliation, and gentle is the key here. Definitely don't go rubbing at your face in like whatever direction and just rubbing hard. You just want to gently slide the cotton pad across your skin. In terms of products, I do recommend using lightweight, watery toners. For example, the Round Lab Dokdo toner. This one is free from alcohol and fragrance, so it's good for even sensitive skin types, and it does include sugarcane extract, I believe, for a really gentle bit of chemical exfoliant, so it's a help. Oh my god. Kind of the selling point of their toner is to help texture of your skin, and they actually recommend using it in this wipe off form. Another one is the Cosrx AHA BHA Vitamin C Daily Toner. Another one that includes a very small and gentle amount of chemical exfoliants, and it is Cosrx, so it's going to be super affordable. And also the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Toner. I know this one's really popular for people who do have kind of oilier, breakout prone skin, because it does include ingredients that help to control your sebum, and also has green tea as well as Centella asiatica extract, which are really going to be nice and soothing to the skin. Another really popular way to do this method is to use toner pads. They are essentially a kind of pre-soaked cotton pad, and you can just use it right away. Extremely popular in Korea. I feel like no other country uses or has as many toner pad products as Korea. One that I've been loving lately is the Needly Daily Toner Pad. It just leaves my skin so well hydrated, even with just one pad, and I have more dehydrated skin and it's still plenty of product. So using toner pads is an option as well. The second method is the 7 skin method. This one is going to be best for for people with dehydrated skin. If you have been following Asian beauty trends for a while, you have probably heard of this one, but the 7 Skin method was hugely popular a couple years back. The name comes from the fact that in Korea they actually call toner skin. So directly translated, it just literally means to layer your toner 7 times. This method allows for maximum hydration because you are layering multiple light layers of hydration, allowing your skin to drink up each layer one at a time rather than trying to drown your skin with a ton of product at once. Yes, it may seem excessive, but you don't actually have to layer it exactly 7 times. This is the method that I practice the most because I do have dehydrated skin, and rarely, very rarely do I ever actually layer 7 layers of toner. Just apply as many layers as you want, and until you feel fully hydrated, I'd say I probably go anywhere in between 2 to 5 layers. You can also get a similar result by creating your own kind of DIY cotton sheet mask using really thin cotton pads, or even like the peelable cotton ones that I'm using here, where you can have very thin layers of cotton, soak the cotton in your toner, and then apply it on like a mini sheet mask. It is easier since you can just leave it on your skin rather than having to kind of dunk and apply your toner 7 times. Although I will say, personally speaking, I feel like the layering physically with your hands application does give a better and more hydrated result. Again, use fairly lightweight products because you don't want it to feel heavy even after multiple applications. Ones with pretty simple ingredients lists and no actives would work best. For example, the Naturie Hatomugi skin conditioner is a fave. It is amazing value for money. About 4 to 5 layers in, you're gonna feel super well plumped and hydrated. The Curel moisture lotion is also a recent favorite for this method. It is great for sensitive skin, and I had been using it probably 3 layers morning and night every day for about a week, and it seriously restored my super dehydrated and irritated skin. I went through the bottle super quick once I started using it. I'm not right. Yeah, it's not happening today. I feel like I'm stumbling on every word. I've gone through it so quick since I discovered it. Another great one. And then the cult favorite, I'm from Mugwort Essence. This one does seem to have a little bit of viscosity in the bottle, but once you apply it, it is so lightweight. I usually layer this this might be the only one that I would go like the full 7 layers. Whenever I wax and shave my face and it's feeling a little bit like tingly and irritated, I layer this a bunch, and it seriously soothes and cools my skin down, and the next day my skin feels super soft. So I love layering this one too. And another easy way to achieve the 7 Skin method is actually using a mists. Mists are really, really popular these days because they're just so easy. You don't have to get your hands dirty. You literally just spray, let it absorb, and then spray again, and then let it absorb, and you can kind of create your 7 layers that way too. I have been using this Pyunkang mist toner. It has an incredibly simple ingredients list, and I have been using it on my body and hands as well. The third and last method is the Milky Toner method. This works best for people who have dry skin. I don't know if this one is really a method. It probably leans more focused to the actual type of product that you're using, but it's to deeply hydrate but also add moisture and nourishment to your skin using a milky toner. These type of products actually look milky and do look more opaque in their appearance, and sometimes they can have a bit of a thicker texture as well. With this method, you want to grab a generous amount of product in your palms and pat it into your skin. Once it is spread evenly, grab your palms again and press the product gently into your skin. I don't know how much of this is true, but I learned in Japan ages ago that by kind of pressing it in with your palms, it warms your skin and the product and allows for better absorption, and it also helps the blood flow in your skin as well. And an added bonus, it is actually really relaxing. If you haven't tried it before, just take a moment and just gently press and kind of take a breath and really take a moment to do some self-care while you're doing your skincare routine. There are a fair few of these milky type toners in the market these days. Of course, the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. I believe this one is the one that started the trend. This one is incredibly moisturizing, just one layer and your skin is glowing and plump, and for those dry skin people, this will work brilliantly for you. The TIRTIR Milk Skin, I can't say this brand name. TIRTIR Milk Skin Refreshing Skin. This one is packed with so many beneficial ingredients like niacinamide, oat extract, peptides, adenosine, ceramides, and more. Lastly, the I'm From Rice Toner. This is obviously a personal favorite since I have mentioned it many times, but it really does help to brighten and refine the skin. I have always preferred it over the Laneige Cream Skin. I just feel like it layers better with other products and it's still just as moisturizing but doesn't feel greasy. I feel like this one can be a little much sometimes. I personally find that it layers better with other products compared to the Laneige Cream Skin, so I have always preferred this one. So they are the 3 methods. I have used all 3 methods before and always change it up depending on my skin condition or the season. So please try them out and see which one suits your skin best. After watching this video, I hope you can love toners as much as I do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!